As a parent, many times you have heard or you have told children that do not sleep and study. Please sit and study. How often have you heard it? Quite often, right? So over here, I'm going to share why and how this particular point can be conveyed to children so that there is a significant importance on this particular point. Now, when I conduct workshops, I do a very live demonstration, and that is what I'm going to share over here. Example, if I ask child, okay, children, you need to breathe. So you just be in a very proper sitting position and breathe. So child normally sits erect and takes a breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now that is a process that every child is doing it, and it's going very smoothly. And I ask the next thing that, okay, now we are going a next level. Now you need to bend your neck and you need to do a same activity. So now what you're going to do it is just take your neck down, and now you're going to do the breathing. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And I ask children, so what was comfortable, when your neck was straight or your neck was bended? And automatically the children will answer that when their neck was straight, they were comfortable in breathing in a better way compared to when my neck is bended. So that is the logical reasoning. Children is agreeing. Now I move to the next step. Okay, so for your body to function, what is required? Children will say that they require food, water, a lot of things they said. I say, okay, perfect. And what is required for your brain to function? And the answer is oxygen. For your brain to function, it requires oxygen. And that's the reason that if a person is getting very angry, what you say or what you have heard, that stay calm, take a deep breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. What's the point of breathing in and out? Just that your brain calms down so that you are giving good oxygen, and automatically it helps to get brain to function in the proper way. Similarly, for your brain to process, you require oxygen. Now as a child, if you are studying leaning down, in the terms either you are sleeping, or there are chances that when a child is studying on the desk, at the start it's like studying like this or writing like this, but slowly, gradually, slowly it goes like this, and at a certain level the child actually sleeps on the desk onto it. So this is happening, and I also used to do it because I was not having the logical reasoning. Now as I connect with the logical reasoning with each and every point, I'm getting a better sense of understanding why child needs to sit erect, because at this particular position your brain is getting more energy, more oxygen, and automatically whenever you try to recollect any memory stuff or your studies, or you're trying to remember, there are high chances that you will be able to remember in a greater, better way. So with this logical reasoning, with this logical understanding, with this pattern of analogies that I have explained, it really helps children to get connect with the importance of sitting straight, sitting on desk and studying, or sitting and studying instead of lying or in an improper format of studying. So that's the message that I convey in a very appropriate format, which really helps each and everyone to connect. And that's the message that I have conveyed to you. And if you feel that yes, this is a very nice way of explaining the children on importance of how to study in a better way, then do like, comment, because your comments are really valuable, which gives me power to come up with lot more valuable videos. Each and every video I come up with a lot more valuable information. So with this is Yagnesh Malavia, looking forward for your love and like, and that helps me to grow ahead in life.
A skill that really helps to grow in life is the way you connect with public. That is public speaking. I am inviting you this Sunday at 11 a.m. for a public speaking workshop where I will be sharing a lot of key insights in public speaking. You can send a WhatsApp on 99675 97158 and you will receive webinar link, and I will meet you live.